Good morning, Priyanka. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Priyanka Rathore. Currently, I am pursuing my master's from Sri Vaishnav Institute of Management and Science. I have done my graduation from Government University Science Patel College, Indore, in Bachelor of Computer Application. During my academic, I have realized that I have a keen interest in software development and Python, and I wanted to pursue my career in the world of technologies and computers. That's why I pursue MCA as my career. Talking about my technical skills, I have a strong foundation in Python, SQL and Django. Using this technology, I have developed an application that is meme sharing application and uniform student uniform reselling application that showcase my skills in this area. Also, in addition to my technical skills, I have a good communication skills and I am disciplined. That's all about myself.
What? How many companies did you apply for? Until what round did you reach in those companies? Like till now, how many campus placement you have faced?
I think, ma'am, I have faced 4 to 5 walk-in drives. I have attained assignment level.
Okay. How good you are in your technical skills?
Out of 5, 3.5.
Okay. Do you know what is the difference between global and local scope?
Yes, ma'am.
Please define.
Okay, so in programming language,
Yes.
Okay, so in programming language, global scope, we have to declare a variable in globally, and we can access in our program, in the inside the class and outside the class as well. And local variable, that means we can only access the variable in the class, not outside the class.
Can you tell me what is the difference between list, tuples, and sets?
Yes, ma'am. Talking about list is a mutable data type, and list can take multiple values and multiple data types like string, and list also can take tuples and integer, float. Also, tuple is immutable data type. We cannot change tuple. And one more is set.
Yes.
So in set we can't take a duplicate value. Set can remove duplicate value and take only a value that is single.
Can you change values in a set?
No, ma'am, we can't change.
It can't be changed?
Yes.
Okay. And how can you convert a string to an integer?
Okay, so we can use int data type for converting string to integer.
Can you explain inheritance?
Yes, inheritance is a property of OOPS, object-oriented programming language. In inheritance, we can inherit the properties of parent class in our child class. There are 3 types of inheritance in Python: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance.
Have you applied for TCS?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. So how good you are in your aptitude?
Out of 5, 2.5.
Okay. So which is your dream company?
Okay, my dream company is Deloitte.
Deloitte. So are you doing like anything for Deloitte? Are you preparing yourself? And what profile are you looking for?
Yeah, I am looking for Python developer, and I have applied for, but I got rejected. Right now I just switched on that
Okay.
Deloitte to TCS.
Okay. What is your dream after 5 years? Like, where do you see yourself after 5 years?
Okay, so I see myself in 5 years as a senior Python developer and team lead.
Okay. Do you know how to work on Power BI, dashboard,
No, ma'am.
Excel,
Yes, I know.
and you know how to work on SQL?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what are the characteristics of a Python developer? Like, only knowing the language Python is enough, or there should be something else?
Yes, ma'am. We have to know about the SQL, about Django. If you know Django, that means it's advantage for you. And Python.
People say that Python is the easiest language to learn. Do you also believe in this?
Yes, ma'am. I think Python is very simple and very decent language. Anyone can learn that language, and if you want your career in the technologies, that you have to start. If you start your career with Python, that means it's very easy and you can learn
So
a lot.
Priyanka, do you believe that following the easiest path is right? Apart from Python, what are the languages you can work upon?
C, C++.
Okay, can you tell me the basic difference between C and C++?
Yeah, there are many difference. Like first of all, syntax. In C, we just use printf, scanf, and in C++ we use cout for the output, and we use hash symbol for library in C. But in C++ we use in IOStream libraries, and also there are OPS concept is more clear in C++.
What I feel, Priyanka, that you are very confident, but then you said that you reached till the assignment level of any of the company placement. Like, have you reached till the TI or PI round?
No, in one company, yes.
Okay. So, have you applied for the on-campus placements as well, apart from
Yes, ma'am.
walk-ins?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name few of the companies?
Yes, Lotus
Okay.
or Maventic.
Maventic, were you able to clear the first round?
No.
Okay. Okay. Did you have that confidence that yes, you did well?
Yes, ma'am, I have.